Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve limits question in a case of limits to infinity. So this is the second kind of them. As I told you before, as we have discussed in the previous example, if you watch the first videos of the four, then this is the second one. I told you guys there are four of them, four types of limits to infinity. So this is the second one. Okay, now why this is the second one? Because if we direct substitute the function, if we direct substitute the value of infinity of the function, and then we get some constant divided by infinity, then whatever we have is 0. Then the limit is 0 lah. Because if we have a constant, okay, we divide by so many things and the value is 0, because the value is too small that we can neglect it. Okay, so what we can get from this information is that if we consider the x and the y, and then we consider the function that has this kind of behavior, okay, yes, let's say if we have something like this, yeah, so the fx as x approaching infinity towards to the right lah, because positive infinity, right? So the function is it is 0, okay, and then it means that the function is getting closer to 0. It will never touch, but it is going closer to 0. So what kind of line that a function getting close but never touch, it is called asymptote. And in this case, y equals 0 is horizontal asymptote. That is why I have this extra note down here. If we have the limits to infinity of a function equals a or a certain number, okay, then the value of the constant is the horizontal asymptote. Specifically in this kind of limits to infinity, it's always 0 lah. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do how many example? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 2 examples. Okay, now what we have here, this one cannot. How are we going to answer this one? Okay, this one cannot. This is not appropriate for this one. Okay, so we're going to ignore that. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, why don't I no need lah, just do it over here lah. Okay, let's do it over here. Okay, so what we have here is limit 1 over set x as x approaches infinity, positive infinity to be exact. Okay, now what should we do is that, now this is positive infinity. Okay, if we substitute here, it will be a big number. Okay, big number, we take a square root of it, it's another big number. Okay, even though the big number is smaller than that big number lah, but still it's a big number because we don't know what is the number. Okay, so what we have is 1 over big number lah. Okay, so we get it 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so from here we know that since we have 0 limits to infinity, therefore y equals 0 is horizontal asymptote. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.